Yeah, but you're not seeing it on the phone. We showed all this earlier, and you can't even tell. And it was probably about 4 inches earlier. It's really good. Yeah, look here. Check out my spots. I'm digging deep in the snow. Ah! I didn't want to go this deep, but I really want to show how deep we just shoveled this night, and then we shoveled it all the way down to the ground, and with how much we got, it's all mostly blowing, but yeah, I'm backtracking. There's my footsteps. A lot of snow. Well, blowing snow. Hopefully we can see it from a different angle on the front part of the house. Alright, now we're checking out front. Let's see how much we can get. Very cold. Extremely cold. See more of the wind flakes, but still, my camera's not catching as much as I want it to. Well, that's the thing is, like, you even see the ripples in the steps, you know, the wind, because we've gotten quite a bit of snow, and if the snow fell without the wind, yeah, it would just be piles. It's not piles, it's just, it's drifts, right there, like that. And drift, this drift is right here, walking along the drift. It lifts up, and it goes all the way up to our fence. My light's not capturing. There goes the snowplow truck. Thankfully they're plowing. We don't have nothing like Chicago, but hey, we got an awful lot of snow and wind.